Hello, my dear children. Welcome to today's class. So, what are we learning in today's class? Today, we are going to know more about our body and we are going to study about parts of the body. Alright, so let's start. The teacher and the students are very excited today. So the teachers and the students, they are all very thrilled, very excited, very happy. Why? Because the teacher is going to ask some riddles and the students will give the answer. So the teacher is going to ask few fun questions and these fun questions are called riddles and the teacher is going to ask all the fun questions, the riddles with the students and the students are going to just think and come up with the answer and then they are going to solve the riddle. Alright, are you excited? So let's see what riddles is the teacher asking. Number 1, you have 2 but a needle has only 1. So the teacher is asking that there is something which you have 2 but a needle with which your mother or the tailor must be stitching something with. So that is a needle. So a needle has 1 but you have 2. Think. Correct. So one of the student replies that eyes. We have 2 eyes but a needle has only 1 eye. And this eye, the thread goes and that's how we sew with the needle and the thread. Alright. So you have to write the answers of these questions over here. How many hands do you have? So please look at and count. 1, 2. How many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. How many legs do we have? Count. 1, 2. We have 2 legs. Name the parts of the body above the neck. So this is our neck. And what do we have above our neck? What do we have above our neck? We have head. We have eyes. We have ears. We have cheeks. We have chin. We have hair. So there are so many body parts above the neck. Alright, so you are going to write the names of all the body parts that are above your neck. Okay? Now the teacher asked another riddle. What is that? You have 2, so you have 2 of them. And your feet also have 2 of them. So the riddle says, you have 2, so do your feet. So you also have 2 of these and your feet also have 2 of these. Think. So a student replies, heels. Correct. How? So we have I don't have a very good drawing. So we have 2 feet. Okay. So what is the heel? Heel is this part. So back of your feet, the back of your foot is the ball kind of a thing, and that is called heel. So I have two heels and my feet also have two heels. All right, so please try to touch your heel. Great. Now, there is a picture of a boy over here, and we are going to study about parts of our body. And as we are studying about the parts of the body, let's try to see all these body parts in our body also. We will touch these body parts. So, hair. Let's touch our hair. Head. Let's touch our head. Head. Eye. Let's touch our eyes. Our nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Teeth. Then the chest. Let's touch our chest. Finger. Please flutter your fingers like this. These are your fingers. Then thumb. So these are our fingers and this is our thumb. Then stomach. Let's touch our stomach. Hand. So these are our hands. Please touch your hands. Legs. Touch your legs. Your toe. So the fingers of your feet, they are called toes. Okay? So touch your toe. And then comes your ankle. So this is your ankle. So there is a part in your feet which is a little mountain kind of a shape, and it is at the side of your feet. That is ankle. Alright, that's an ankle. So let's touch our body parts once again. Hair, head, eyes, nose, teeth, finger, thumb, chest, stomach, leg, toes and ankle. Very good. Okay, so you know what? Our body has bones. So just try and touch this hard part in your body. This is called bone. And you know what? A newborn baby, when a small baby is born, a newborn baby has 300 bones. 300 bones. But as the baby grows up, only 206 bones are left. So an adult has 206 bones in the body. Okay, so these are the parts of the body, and we are going to see that what work does each body part do. Okay, what do we do with our hands, with our legs, and with our teeth, tongue? What do we do with our different body parts? So let's see. What do we do with our hands? Can you please tell me? Okay, we can write, we can draw, we can clap, we can hold. Correct? We can swim also. So we can do so many things with our hands. So we can catch, we can hold, we can write, eat, paint and cut. Okay, so just see, our hands do all the work. Even right now when I'm explaining, my hands are moving and doing a lot of work. So what do we do with our legs? We jump, we run, we walk, we do all these things with our legs. We can skip. So we walk, run, jump and stand with our legs. Then what do we do with our teeth? We bite, we chew. So we bite and chew food with our teeth. We also have one more body part in our mouth, that is tongue. So, what do we do with our tongue? We speak with our tongue and we taste food with our tongue. So, we eat and we speak with our tongue. Different parts of our body do different work. Yes, so every body part does different work, and the different body parts work together to do one particular work. So for example, if we have to run, we run with our legs, and while we run with our legs, we see with our eyes that where do we have to run. Also, we use our hands to balance our body. So different body parts work together to do one work, and every body part does a different work. This helps us in doing different things. We should take care of all parts of our body. So we should take care of all the parts of your body. For example, eyes. We should take care of our eyes. We should not watch television or mobile phones or tablets for very long time, because like that we will spoil our eyes. Our eyesight will become weak. Our eyes will become weak. So we should just limit our screen time and take care of our eyes. Similarly, we should take care of our hair, of our hands. We should eat healthy food. We should exercise and take care of our body parts. And we should keep them clean. We should keep them healthy. Now, this was about our body parts. Now, the next thing is sense organs. What are sense organs? So, just try to do one thing. You can cover your eyes and try to walk. Do you think you will be able to walk a long distance with your eyes closed when you're not able to see anything? No, we will not be able to do that. So our eyes helps us to see. So our first sense organ is our eyes. What are sense organs? So sense organs are when we try to see, when we try to sense our surroundings, that what is going around us, we can see that, we can hear that, we can feel that. So all these the organs, the parts of our body which help us to sense our surroundings, judge our surroundings, what is going around us, those are the sense organs. We cannot see anything without our eyes. Try to walk a few steps with closed eyes. Can you walk properly? No. So our eyes helps us to see. Now, how do we hear? How do we hear? When I am speaking, how do you hear? You hear with the help of your ears. So do you think if we do not have ears, we will be able to hear anything? The birds chirping, your parents speaking something, or the sound of the television, or your favorite game. Will you be able to hear it without your ears? No. So we cannot hear any sound without our ears. Can you hear anything if our ears are closed? No. So ears help us to hear. Now, if there is if your mother cooks your favorite food, you say, Mama, something is something delicious is cooking, I can smell it. I can just smell the delicious food that you are making, or I can just smell the fragrance of this rose flower. So how do you smell it? You smell it with the help of your nose. So if you pinch your nose like this, will you be able to smell something? The dirty smell of the garbage, or the very nice fragrance of the flower, or the very nice aroma of the spices of the food? Will you be able to smell it? No. So we smell things with our nose. Can you smell the flower when our nose is pinched? No. So the nose helps us to smell. Alright, when there is a tasty food near you, will you be able to know what's the taste, whether it's salty or it's sweet, or is it sour or it's bitter? Will you be able to taste it? Will you be able to know what's the taste by just looking at it? No, we will be able to know that how does it taste when we put it in our mouth, when we put it in our when we put the food on our tongue. All right. So we taste things with tongue. We taste things with tongue. Can you know the taste of the food by looking, smelling, or touching the food? So if we just smell the food, touch the food, see the food, will we know that how does it taste? No. So the tongue helps us to taste and speak. All right. So the next sense organ is, let's see what is it. So supposingly there are 2 cups in front of you and they're covered. Will you be able to tell by just looking at it that, okay, this is hot and this is cold? No, we will be able to tell only when we touch the cups. So when we touch the cups, our skin feels it hot or our skin feels it cold. So our skin actually helps us to feel whether something is cold or hot or rough or soft. So our skin helps us to feel. We feel the things with our skin by touching them. Look at the 2 cups with a lid on them. Can you tell which one is hot and which one is cold? Now touch your hand carefully. Can you tell now? Yes. So our skin helps us to feel. So let's name the 5 sense organs once again. Eyes, nose, tongue, ears, and skin. So what did we learn in today's lesson? The sense organs, organs that helps us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel things around us. What are the action organs? Organs that helps us to walk, talk, hold, bite, eat, etc. So the organs by which we do actions, they are called action organs. So please remember that our body has different parts and all parts of the body, they do different things. The eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are called sense organs, and sense organs help us to see, hear, touch, smell and feel. Alright, so let's fill in the blanks over here. Our body is made up of different body parts. So we are going to write it. Our body is made up of different body parts. We walk with the help of legs and talk with the help of tongue. Our hands helps us to write and catch. We can feel cold or hot surface with help of our skin. And smell things with our nose. We cannot hear any sound without our ears. Touch the hot things carefully. Okay, so touch the hot things carefully. We have to match the following. We can see with our eyes. We can hold with our hands. We can run with our legs. We can sing with our tongue, with our mouth. So we can sing with our mouth and we can taste with our tongue. We can taste with our tongue. Now these are few questions that you will answer yourself and see what have you learned in today's lesson. I am going to discuss here in short what helps us to see the things around us. So eyes helps us to see the things around us. Which part of the body helps us to walk and run? Legs helps us to walk and run. What helps to feel the things around? Our skin helps to feel the things around. Now these are some fun-based questions that you are going to do with your friends, with your family, and have fun with this chapter. So there is a puzzle given over here. You have to read the clues and find out the answers. I can do one for you. We walk with this. So we walk with our legs. We walk with our legs. So let's find out the word legs over here. Where is leg? Where is leg? Let us find out. We have hair on our, so the second one. We have hair on our head. So similarly, you are going to find out the answers of the rest of these, that we walk with this. So we walk with our legs also and we walk with our feet also. So please find out the answers in this puzzle. Now there are few sentences over here, and the one which is underlined, you have to write the opposite of it in the next blank. First one is done for you. You have to do the rest of it. My middle finger is big, but my thumb is small. I can open the lid and then close it with my strong hands. So do it with your friends. One your friend will do and another you will do, and you both can have a competition amongst yourself. Alright, so you can make a colorful handprint. How you can do that? You can take an A4 size sheet or a bigger sheet, paint your hands with different colors and print it on the sheet and make a beautiful poster with your thumb, finger and hand. So that's all in today's lesson. I hope you have learned a lot. So that's all for today. Keep learning, keep shining. Bye-bye.